Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy for the month of December. And Ipsy is a monthly subscription box where you get makeup and skincare, sample sizes and full sizes. So mostly sample sizes, but one or two full sizes in each one. And a makeup bag, and it's $12 a month. And here is December, so it's real kind of fluffy. It reminds me of like the inside of a coat, inside of a jacket, winter jacket. Here's the zipper pull. And let's dive right in. So it says home for the holidays. That's this month's theme. And it shows what's inside here, and it gives the says it's valued at $50+ and let's see what's in here. So the first thing is Grace and Stella lavender lotion, and this is a body lotion, and it's it seems like a deluxe sample size, but this is, I usually don't use tons and tons of body lotion, so this is a nice size for me. And then there is It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. And I've got this before. Oh, this is a larger size than what I got before. So there's that. It is a sample, but probably a deluxe sample. I don't know. It's larger than what I got before. And I did like this. I enjoyed the Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. I didn't buy it after that, but I'll try this one and see. I have powder, so I don't need any, but maybe that'll be my next one. And then the next thing in here is Beauty for Real. It says Brook, USA. It's a lip balm. I'm gonna read a little bit about this one. It's Beauty for Real tinted lip balm in Hannah. It says this is a full size, and it's $14. Oh, it does say the Bye Bye Pores is a deluxe sample. I thought so, because the last time I got a sample, it was like real small. So that was a deluxe sample. The body lotion is a deluxe sample too. And I'm going to stop there. And the next thing we have is Salon Hair Simplified Wave Plus Curl Rich Defining Cream. And I definitely could use this. As you can see, I have naturally curly hair. Today it got super frizzy, which it does usually because I live in the Pacific Northwest and it's usually damp, and today was really rainy, and this is how my hair goes. It's like, it was nice and clean and really nicely spirally curled this morning, and this is what happens to it by the end of the day. I mean, you can see the curl is still there, but the frizz is real. Okay, let's see what else is in here. The last thing is a full size Glossing by Laura Makeup Labs lip gloss. Sparkly lip gloss. I'm trying to see the color name, the shade name. Mystic.